If Microsoft Edge is acting slow, buggy, crashing, or just feels broken, a full reset can often fix the problem fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely reset Microsoft Edge step by step, using a method that clears out the browser profile data so Edge starts fresh again. This is a great option if normal settings resets are not enough, and it can help with persistent issues like extensions misbehaving, sync problems, or corrupted browser data. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure Microsoft Edge is completely closed. The best way to do that is to press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for any Microsoft Edge processes. You may see more than one, so check carefully. Right-click each Edge process and choose End Task. This is important because if Edge is still running in the background, Windows may not let you reset the files properly. Once all Edge tasks are closed, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. In the Run box, type %local AppData %Microsoft/Edge, then click OK. This takes you directly to the Microsoft Edge data folder on your computer. Inside this folder, look for the folder named User Data. This folder contains your Edge profile information, including settings, cache, browsing data, and other stored browser files. At this point, you have two choices. If you want the safer option, rename the folder to User Data Old. That way, Edge cannot use the old profile data, but you still have a backup in case you want to restore something later. If you want a total reset, you can delete the User Data folder instead. Renaming is usually the better first choice because it gives you a clean reset without permanently removing everything right away. After you rename or delete the folder, close the File Explorer window. Now reopen Microsoft Edge. When Edge launches, it will automatically create a brand new user data folder, and it will behave like it has just been freshly installed. That means your browser should open with a clean profile, which often fixes problems caused by corrupted settings or stored data. If you rename the old folder, you can keep it as a backup for a little while in case you need anything from it. If everything is working correctly, you've now completely reset Microsoft Edge. This method is simple, effective, and much more powerful than just clearing cache or resetting a few settings inside the browser. If this video helped, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps support the content and lets you know when the next tutorial is out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.